Thank you for tuning in and watching. This is your friend Destiny Isaac Bundi, and this is Kingdom Mindset Program, our 5 minutes program meant to shift you and take you to the next level of life and your walk of faith. Previously, in this gift and talent series, we have already covered 10 things your gift and talents will do for you, what to believe in, how to discover your gift and talents, the difference between talents and gift, what to do with your gift and talents, and mentorship in the area of gift and talents. Remember to watch all those sermons right here in this YouTube channel to help us connect and move on together. Building on the same, I want to speak to us about the 3 Ds when it comes to gift and talents development. What are the 3 Ds when it comes to gift and talents development? Number 1, the first D stands for discover. And remember we said, don't wait to be discovered. Discover yourself. Don't wait to be discovered. Discover yourself. So the first D is discover. Proverbs 25 verses 2, the word of God says, it is the glory of God to consider a thing. It is the honor of kings to search out a matter. It is the glory of God to consider things. So God has hidden great talents, gifts, potentials, dreams, visions deep within us. It is our duty to search them out. Our honor will show forth even as we search out even that thing. Now, the second thing, after discovering, what do? You develop that gift. So after discovering, you develop. In the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, he said that whatever is behind us and whatever is ahead of us is nothing compared to that which is inside us. So that which is inside us is what we have discovered, and it is what we are out even to develop. We are out to develop that which we have discovered. Don't ever make a demand before you create a demand. So one of the meaning of developing, it is creating a demand. It is adding value even upon your gift. You are adding. It's all about value addition. Development is about value addition. It's all about creating a demand around your gift. Around your gift. And remember, I've repeated this time and again. What is success? It is finding out the area of your gifting and then building and growing yourself even the area of your gifting. So discover, then we move on to develop. We move on to develop that which we have discovered. Now, developing, another meaning of developing is adding skill. It's adding skill to your gifting and talents. Psalms 33 verse 3, the word of God says, sing to God skillfully. It is sing to God skillfully. So it's what developing is. Value addition, it's creating a demand. It's also adding a skill to whatever you are doing. It's also adding a skill. Now, what is development? It's also sharpening the edge. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verses 10. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verses 10. I like the way Solomon says. He says, when the axe is blunt, more strength is needed. You need to sharpen the edge. You will never ever have a cutting edge until you sharpen the edge. It is time to sharpen the edge. And I can tell you, when you sharpen the edge, you shall stand before great people. Proverbs chapter 22 verses 29, the word of God says, see thee a man who is skillful in whatever he is doing. He is diligent, he is skillful in whatever he is doing. He shall stand before great people. There is always a place for great people when you sharpen the edge, when you add scale to whatever you are doing. So it is value addition, it is creating a demand, it is putting skill to whatever you are doing, it is sharpening the edge. And also to wind up on this, 1 Samuel chapter 16. Wow, 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 16, 17. You can read on your own time. Verse 18. You can read the whole chapter. Very, very powerful. Saul says, bring to me someone who can pray the harp well. And one of the servants tells him, sir, I have seen David, the son of Jesse, who is skillful in praying the harp. He can pray the harp well. So developing is doing well, whatever you are doing. It is doing well, whatever you are doing. It is not average. It is not mediocre. It is doing well, whatever you are doing. Not based on mediocrity. It is doing well, whatever you are doing. And the third D is deploying. To deploy means to use. To discover, develop, and then deploy. It means to use. John chapter 7 verse 3. I read where the brothers of Jesus are telling him, my brother, our brother Jesus, if you can do whatever you are telling us you can do, go out there and do it. So go out and show it to the world. Start using. We said talents don't become treasures because you have them. Talents become treasures by use. Gifts and talents don't become treasures because you have them. They become treasures by use. The gift of God, they are not medals of honor. They are tools for use. The giftings of God, the talents of God, they are not medals of honor. They are tools for use. Let me do a recap very fast. 3 Ds. Number 1, discover. Number 2, develop. And number 3, deploy. You can follow us through our social media accounts right on this screen. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link with friends. Keep it at God, keep up, and keep pressing by the hand of God. Shalom, shalom, shalom.